Alex, we still have some raisin. Do you have enough idea how we can use them?
Yes. Let's move on to food number 2, which would be beet raisin salad.
Beet raisin salad sounds interesting. Do you think beet is healthy for kids?
Beet is great for everyone, not just kids. It is a great source of folate, magnesium, vitamin C, and fiber.
Sounds great.
So you will need is 1 baked beet, some raisins, and honey.
Excellent.
Shred baked beef. Toss raisins. Add honey. And now mix.
So good.
So now we need to peel the beet. I'll show you how you can do this easily and simply. So you're gonna need a potato peeler for this. You're gonna take it and you're just gonna push it down, just like this. Okay, now that we have our beet peeled and ready, it is now time to shred it using our grater. Just take the beet and push it down on the grater in strokes. And now it's ready.